Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of Tinkering with Techtic. I bet you're wondering why I look so gosh darn cool and why I'm holding a paintball gun. Well, in this episode, I'm going to be going over how to make a contact sensor that interacts with an LED screen and gives you AR vision. So without further ado, pew pew, let's get into it. So first we're going to glue two leads to the trigger area. One of them is going to be wrapped around the trigger, and the other one is going to be placed in a location such that when you pull the trigger, they contact. Once we're done there, we're going to move on to the hopper area and glue two leads there in the same fashion such that when you open up the hopper lid, they will contact and complete the circuit. So enjoy the music, sit back, relax, and watch super speed happen. For the trigger and reload circuit, first we're going to start with VCC, and we're going to go right from the Raspberry Pi to our positive on the breadboard. Then we're going to insert the ground pin onto the negative of our breadboard. Then we're going to take a resistor, use a high voltage resistor. It has to be a higher voltage than the other one you're going to use in the circuit. I used 100 kilo ohms. After that, I grabbed a lower resistance resistor. I used 1 kilo ohm, and you're going to want to put that across so that I can go into a new trace location. In that offshoot, you're going to connect your GPIO pin, and for this trigger, this is for the trigger one, I used GPIO 15. And lastly, you're going to want to take your leads from the trigger and plug the first one in between the two resistors and the second one in the positive rail. Snap your fingers, same circuit for the reload. Okay, so for the OLED screen, first we're going to connect the red lead, which is the voltage, to pin 17 or the 3.3 volt supply. Then we're going to connect the ground lead to the 39th pin or the ground on the Raspberry Pi. Next, we're going to connect the blue lead to pin 19, then the yellow lead to pin 23, and then the orange lead that will go into pin 24. Then the green lead is going to go into pin 18. And lastly, the white lead is going to go into pin 22. Now let's move on to some more hot glue fun. So first I have these safety goggles that I had to take the glass out so that I can glue some plastic to them. You're going to want to cut 2 pieces of plastic. The first one is going to come straight out of the glasses frame, and you want to make sure that there's no edges so that it doesn't poke your face or your eye or anything dangerous like that. Additionally, you want to make sure that it's nice and flat because that is going to be supporting the weight of your OLED screen. Next, you're going to want to take your second piece of plastic and glue it on at a 45-degree angle such that the image reflected off of your screen is orthogonal to your field of view. Finally, we're going to glue the screen right on top of the piece of plastic. So the code is pretty straightforward. The first thing I want to say is please download the OLED driver Python code from the manufacturer. This will make it much easier for you. Next, we're going to define the GPIO pins for our trigger and our reload. And then from there, it is just a simple counter that, depending on what the count is, it loads various images. It does not reanimate a different bullet. It just puts an image that has one less bullet in it. And that's it, guys. Enjoy. And now, let's check out the demonstration. We're going to have a total of 5 pews. Pew, 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 reload. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like what you see, check out one of my other videos using the links on your screen. And if you would like to see more great content like this, make sure to like, subscribe, or even check out our Patreon in the link below.